Hi sir, ask ko lang ilang years na ba ang AIA in the business? So, two things, right? Yung mother company namin, AIA Group as a whole, is publicly listed in Hong Kong, 105 years na, turning 106. Naalala ko noong 2019 before mag-pandemic, we celebrated our 100th anniversary sa may Sydney. I was there, no? So, 2025 ngayon, so turning 106 years naman. Dito naman sa Philippines, AIA is formerly Film Life, nag-rebrand na mula nung naging fully owned na ng AIA nung 2009 pa sa Film Life. So, with the history of Film Life, we are already in the 78th year this year. Alright, magsi 78 years na kasi 1947 nag-start yung Film Life sa Philippines. So tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Yung mga lumang policies na Film Life, tuloy pa rin po yun, babayaran pa rin po yun ng AIA. Makaka-claim pa rin po kayo in the future kung Film Life policy holder kayo. Alright, but moving forward, we aligned our brand dito sa Philippines sa rest of the countries in Asia Pacific kasi merong 18 countries na present si AIA, no? Namely, some of them, China, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, even Australia and New Zealand, meron din pong AIA dyan. So 18 countries in the Asia Pacific, doon nakafocus si AIA.